We work on positioning the industry in two principal areas. The first is on the development of renewable liquid gas, and this is in response to regulatory pressure in countries that are trying to decarbonize. And the second is positioning LPG in particular as an alternative to biomass for clean cooking. I think both of these areas are extremely important. So the opportunity for clean cooking in places like here in Africa is extremely large and growing in the developing world. In the developed world, the opportunity to develop renewable liquid gas is also a big opportunity, and one where we're seeing a lot of resources going into. We always say that the Brazilian market is an excellent model for African markets to look at as they develop, because it's a large country, it's topographically complicated, it has a very dynamic industry, and the African markets can learn a lot from the Brazilian experience of developing LPG. The opportunity to position LPG in the climate change discussions, I was just in Baku at COP29 negotiations last week, and I think that's an opportunity for our industry. There's also the opportunity to bring more women and more youth into our industry because we're facing demographic challenges. The principal consumers of our fuel are women, and we should get more of them into the industry so that we can respond better to their needs.